Hello everyone. Today we will do the seventh experiment, that is sorting the even numbers using while loop in an array. To start with, let us go to the lab view, and here this is the block diagram window. In that we will go to the palette and we will select in the structure sub palette, we will select the while loop, and inside this while loop let us place an index array. We have to give array in as an input, so let us right click on this and select create control. So here we have the array input, and this index has to be connected to this iteration. Now if we have to check whether a number is even or not, it has to be divided by 2 and the remainder of that should be checked. For that, let us go to the numeric and select quotient and remainder. Here the value from this array, that is a particular index array value, will be given to this block and it has to be divided by 2. So here we have this second input. To the second input, right click and create a constant, and that constant is 2. So the number that is a particular indexed array value will be coming to this block, which will get divided by 2, and here we will check its remainder and we will check if it is equal to 0. Now here once it is equal to 0, we have to create another array which will collect this data. So for that, let us select the line from here and connect it. We have to send the data out from the while loop. So for that we have to give tunneling, that is this value, that is a particular indexed array value. If the condition is true, it has to be sent to the output array. So now that is based on this condition. What is the condition? If the remainder is true, this particular indexed array, that is that index array index value should go out, and we have to create a output array. That is, we have to right click and select create indicator, and we will get an output array as well. Now when will this while loop stop? For that we have to again go to array, select array size from the array palette, then this array size, it has to be decremented. So for that we have to go to numeric, select decrement, then this decrement value, it has to be compared. The initial value of I is 0, so this goes on decrementing and finally it will come to 0. So that has to be checked with this I value, that is this 0 value here, and when these two are equal, the while loop should stop. So this is the total connection. Now we will go to the front panel. Here we will give the input. We will give some inputs and we will verify if it is working. Let us give some input. You can give some random any input. If we see here, only the even numbers, whether it is negative or positive, the even numbers only come onto the output array. So we can name this as the input array, and this as number array. You can so when we check on this is the input array and this is the even number array. Thank you. Thanks for watching.